will pay respect to Buddha, the owner of Dhamma, by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Today we will continue about the karma. Yesterday we have taught some categories of karma. Today there are some categories. So like that, the karma already done. Result also already produced. So we have done karma. We have already have a result. This is one type. Another type is karma already done in the past, but the result is not yet. Result is not yet have a result. Next one is karma already done. Karma result also now presently having. Next one, karma already done, but result not have presently. Next one, karma already done, result will be in the future. So next one is karma already done, but result will not produce a result. So this is something strange. Karma already done, but result will not produce a result. So, for example, in the Buddha time, Angulimala killed many beings. Karma already done, but the result will not produce. Now we know he is Arahanta, but before gaining arhatship, Buddha may know, but we may not know. So karma, sometimes the karma already done, but result will not be. In the same way, maybe some people, although we have agusala karma already, if we are going, for example, Deva realm, Brahma realm, go to Nirvana. If so, because like Deva realm, Brahma realm, they don't have an accident, they don't have a disease. So some result will not have. So that means the karma already done, but the result will not be. So next one, karma have a presently, result also having presently. Next one, karma have presently, but no present result having. Next one, karma have a present, result will be future. So those are not much strange. Next one, there is a karma. There is a karma in the present, but will not have a result in the future. Will not produce. So have a present karma, we do, good or bad. Future will not produce a result because of some condition. Like that. For example, you may offer a lot of food. So generally, food offering, you will have a lot of food in the future. But if you go to Brahma realms, Brahma not eat. If you, from there, if you go to Nibbana, so although you offer food, will not have food. Yeah, some result will not produce. So like that. In the same way, bad karma. So karma have, but no result because of something. So next one is karma will be in the future. Result also will be in the future. Or both are future. So karma will be in the future. Result will not be in the future. So these are mentioned in the Patisambhidamagga. So means not every karma will produce a result because of some condition. Some condition. So what are conditions? So generally, so when we do Agasa in Myanmar, at the end of Agasa, we always make a wish to be free from 4 vipatti. Vipatti is something like a failure. To be free from 4 failure. In our Agasa, yeah, we make a wish to be free from 4 woeful states. To be free from 3 kappa, disaster, because of weapon, because of disease, like a COVID. Weapon is like a war, famine, no food. So it is a 3 kappa. 3 kappa, like the whole world happening. So it is called kappa. Some are weapon danger, some are disease danger, some are no food. So next one is 8 places. 8 bad places, better condition to avoid, like a woeful state. So to avoid. Next one, like Asinya Saddha, no mentality Brahma. Yeah, Buddha is appear in the world, but if we are no mentality, we cannot listen to Buddha's teaching. So not right place, etc. For example, human, Buddha appear, but we are like a remote area. No Buddha and Buddha's disciple can come. Or Buddha is appear in the world, we are not knowledgeable. Like some people you see, you cannot teach anything. Although the Buddha appear, cannot have attainment. The next one, although the Buddha appear, so knowledgeable person, human, but have a wrong view person. Like other religion, something like that, wrong view person. So not interested in the Buddha. So this is 8 conditions to avoid not to be 8 conditions. Next one is to avoid 5 enemies. 5 enemy means government, water, fire, thieves or robbers, bad inheritors, bad inheritor. So those are called 5 enemies in the Buddha's teaching. So to avoid that. Next one is 5 vyasana. Vyasana is, may say, disaster, like disaster or disease. We may see some people, they have a disease. They cannot do anymore, anything. So they cannot do big jobs. Some are relatives disaster or relatives. For example, in Myanmar, previous time, they have a Nagit storm. So tsunami. So some all relatives was gone. So only alone left. So this is called the disaster of relatives. Disaster of wealth. Disaster of wrong view. Disaster of morality. Especially for the bhikkhus. Some bhikkhu, because of this trying of morality, they cannot continue their life. So have to disrobe. Some are not prepared to disrobe, but have been. So like that, this is a disaster of morality. So when we do Okasa in Myanmar, we have this kind of wish at the end. So one of that is a 4 Vipatti. So one thing is Kala Vipatti, the failure of time. Failure of time means, failure of time, Kala Sambati, achievement of time, good time, the good time and bad time. So bad time means sometimes in one country have a bad government. So many fighting, many war. So many people are suffering. Not easy to get a result of kusala, wholesome mind. You may have a kusala, but because of failure of time, most of people are not good. So you are there. So have a war, the whole country is not good. So if so, although you may have a kusala, no chance to produce a result. If the time is good, like a good king or government protecting people, if so, some country you cannot be poor. If poor, they will give money. So if so, in a good time, although you have a bad action, bad karma, it is difficult to produce a result because of time. So because of this, based on time, good or bad, result or wholesome, unwholesome, will have more chance or less chance. So although we have a karma, So karma sometimes will not produce, will not produce a result well. So it is a time. Next one is destination. Destinations, there are bad destinations like a woeful state, hell, animal, ghost, asura kaya. Once someone reborn there, so you may have wholesome deeds in the past, but very less chance to produce a result because the destination is no good. So this is a bad destination. Destination not allow to produce a good result. Some of them may be good, but not so mature. Although you may have accumulated knowledgeable karma, the karma related to knowledge, but as an animal, as a woeful state being, cannot be knowledgeable. Some of them little bit better, but cannot have a jhana, cannot have a megaphala, surely. So human realm, 6 Deva realm, 20 Brahma realm. Generally, we may say that. So those are good realm. If you are in good realm, so although you have done bad karma, not have a chance to produce a result. For example, you practice meditation, gaining jhana, go to Brahma realm. Once you become Brahma, so you don't have any accident. You will not have any disease. So for example, in this life, young time, we may have killed. Killing, stealing, may have done something. So sometimes we need to consider if we reborn as a human, a bit possible to get a result. It is possible. If a woeful state, more chance. But if we reborn, because now conditions, knowledgeable condition, very healthy condition. So based on that, if we try to get like a jhana, reborn in the Brahma realm, we no need to afraid. Those are kind of bad deeds. Have bad deeds, but not have a chance to produce a result because of good destination. Maybe this is the reason, like a Bodhisattva story we read. So he stayed as a kingship until a certain age. So like a King Magadeva, once he got white hair, he trying to go to renunciation. So like that. So they're trying to go to Brahma realm. So this is based on destination. Karma may produce their result based on failure, based on destination, based on time. Next one is Ubri. Ubri is appearance. So based on appearance, a result will come. So if someone, because of some karma, have a good appearance, if so, good karma more chance to produce a result because of good appearance. You know, some people have a good appearance wherever they go. Many people laugh. In the same way, children, you know, not yet do anything because of lovely face. So if so, everyone laugh. So for him or for her, everyone go generally will have a good result. If he or she don't do bad deeds, obviously. So in the story, there is king's son. So young time, the chicken, how to say, harm his eye, become blind. So here's the king's son. If he has a good eye, he can be king. But because of blind, no more chance. So it is because of appearance. So one time Bodhisattva is but catch by, how to say, trap. He trying to remove, but later the skin cut off, try, flesh cut off. Or rather trying, sinews are cut off. So or rather only bone. At that time he don't try anymore, because as a king, not have a leg is not suitable. He cannot be king again. So if no leg, so it is very difficult to be king. So this is based on appearance. So sometimes in a poor family, someone is very beautiful or handsome. Or the poor family, maybe in a slave family, sometimes it can be queen or can be king because of good appearance. So karma related to ubari. Ubari somebody achievement of appearance. Ubari vipatti, failure of appearance. And next one is Bayoga. Bayoga is our action. Our action means effort and wisdom. So although we have a good karma, for example, these people may be knowledgeable. If they practice well, if they meditate, may have a jhana, like that. But if not meditate, we don't have a jhana. So the same, some people are knowledgeable, but they didn't go to school. They are bright, so they cannot get a degree. It is not because of just a karma. They didn't do proper action. So in the Buddha time, there is a rich man, old man, the son of a rich man, the daughter of a rich man, parents are taught. So they don't want their son and daughter to learn. So they keep it freely because they have a lot of property. They don't want their children to be tired. In this way, they keep. So also they married. So both are from the rich family. So after married, they enjoy life. So they drink alcohol, etc. So they have a bad friends. So after some times, all their properties are gone. So no more property. So they are also become very old. So at that time, came to Jetavana monastery. At the gate of Jetavana monastery, they are asking for food. So the Buddha taught. So in the first age, if they were do economy, they will be and think first rich person. So if they do second age, second period of their life, if they do economy, so the whole country like a second rich one. Is if that period, if they do their economy like that rich man, but now they are very old, nothing can do. So they have the karma to be rich man, but they didn't do. Their action, the failure of action. So in the same way, the Buddha say, if they practice Dhamma, so the same way the man can be Nagami or like that, Arahanta or Nagami, etc. But at older time, less chance. So they have the karma to be rich. They have the karma to have attainment, but they didn't do action. So because of failure of action, so karma cannot produce a result. So in the same way, so what kind of result you want to get? For example, if you stay as a lay people, yeah, like that man, yeah, you may be rich, but you will not have attainment generally because of not specialist. So, like the Buddha say, if he do economy, he will be rich. But if he ordain as a bhikkhu, he ordain and practice, he will get Arhatship or Nagami, etc. So, like based on action, but the person have a personality, ability produced by karma. So mainly we have ability. So the one who has ability, normally, whatever you do, you will get it. If you do earning money, yeah, you will have a money. But if you do practicing, you will have a result of practicing. So although we have a karma based on our action, we will have a result. So there is a failure of action. There is achievement of action. So if we have ability, normally personality is important. Ability is important. So if there is ability, what you want to do, based on what you do, based on that you will have a result. So generally people have a desire. So there is a proverb I heard. So if you lose something, no need to be worried, because you don't really wish. You don't really wish. They say, yeah, for those who has ability, generally healthy, enough age to be successful. So if we really wish, it is possible to get. So there are some meditators I found. Yeah, some are very easy. Just to do, they get it. Some are not easy. They try, but their desire are very strong. Sometimes they cry. They do a long time, but generally, finally they got some achievement. So I think generally, if we really wish, it is possible to get. This is also a kind of parami. So those who has parami, they cannot stay without gaining what they want to get, and they want to get. If they don't want to, they don't get, they will cry. They will cry, and they are not satisfied. with this condition. So like that. So those people generally may have improvement. So one thing is people's ability, another thing is a desire. So because of this, if we want to get parami, we need to have a good deed enough. This is called a kusala, strong kusala. We need to have a strong kusala. This is to produce ability. Another one is desire, make a wish, what you want to be. So generally, as Buddha's teaching, we say always Nibbana Sappacchaya Hodu. But not just reciting, really wishing to get it. So with this in mind, if you do good deeds, so when this karma produce a result, so they want to get it. So karma will send suitable place, who has ability. So the mind will have a desire. So those people once hear about those conditions, they want to do. So they don't want to do any other jobs. So like that, even a Bodhisattva. So once he saw all people, he just understand life is not to be happy if there is illness, because destination is there. So sickness, death, illness, if it is a future, how can I enjoy like that? This is their thinking because of their parami. So in the same way, Bhante Nuruddha. So first of all, he don't want to ordain because he is a very, how to say, very tender, very soft one. Never experiences suffering. So, okay, I must stay at home. So at that time, at home, what I need to do? Because I never do any job. And you need to do farming, plowing, harvesting, or pulling out. Oh, so busy. Okay, how long I need to do? And you need to do Ganangan the whole life. At that time, he cannot. It is not meaningful. Year after year, have to do. So he cannot accept. Although he never do jobs. He asks, what do I need to do? Yeah, you need to do plowing, you need to do planting, pulling out grasses, have a harvest, put it into the container like that. Okay, how long I need to do? You need to do kan and kan. You need to do the whole life. If so, I don't want to do. Because this is a no ending jobs. So those who has a parami, they will not do this kind of jobs. So in the same way, Susima, Bodhisattva's son. So he want to learn education. Bodhisattva sent him to the teacher. Teacher is a Sariputta Dubi. So learn Veda education. After learning, he thought, what is the beginning of education? He can find. What is the middle of education? He can find. What is the end of education? He cannot find. He went to the teacher, asked to the teacher, is there any ending point? So no have an ending point. So, but if you want to learn the education which has an ending point, you should go to mountain. There are Vijika Buddhas there. Go and learn from them. So he went there, he learned, he became Vijika Buddha. So this is a parami. So people who has parami, they know where they want to go to. So where they should go to. So they they're trying to see how is the story ending. So because of this, Bodhisattva 6 years in the forest not successful. The best knowledgeable person. So the best one, 6 years not successful. But even one mind wishing to go back home, not happen. So very clear, if we go back home, aging, sickness, and death will welcome. One side is very sure. The other side, what you will happen, not sometimes not so sure. But the other side is very sure. So in the same way, Bhanisari Buddha, Moggallana, in the last life, they are seeing entertainment. So like other people. But one time he understood, oh, these people, after 100 years later, no one left, all will die. So this thought came into his mind. So at that time, cannot be happy anymore. So this is everyone's story. So they're trying to find the deathless. Finally, they found. So this is their thinking way. The way they choose their job is like that. So, but it is not for everyone. So, yeah, they happen to make a correct action because of this. Their effort is not wasted, not wasted. So everything we learn in the world, very sure, our destinations like that. Like other people we see in front of us, can see very easily. How is our teachers, how is our parents, we will be the same. So, and this is something people, because they want to know, they have, do they have a parami or not? This is the thinking way of people who has parami. So yeah, one thing is ability needed. Ability. Generally, people may know, knowledgeable people may know own ability, because generally we have stayed in a school, in an environment, what kind of person we are, how much knowledgeable, how bright we are. Generally in the exam, it is already shown. So yeah, this is something related to knowledge. Some people, if we explain about the elements, their mind is blocked, cannot go. A very easy one they can, this and that one. But once something deep, their knowledge cannot go, block. So some teacher may understand, this one I cannot explain anymore. So some basic things may teach for surviving. So, but some people can. Some people have to say a few times. Some people just one time. So, but for some people, so how many times you say? Why not understand? So generally they don't have a ability. So to reach certain education. So if teachers may know students' condition, so based on that, we have to teach. Some students is just a do proper. We have to choose some education, do proper. So some people we generally we have to we have to keep just to support wise people. Stay near the wise people, get some support, can stay happily. Just that, because if they stay themselves, not dependent on wise people, so their life will be more suffer. So in the same way, Bodhisattva sometimes based on disciples' knowledge they have to teach. So generally, our karma will give a condition, having ability, having condition. So, but we need to make action. What kind of result we want to get? Generally, we cannot get all what we want to be, economy or education or like that. So, or attainment, based on that, we have to choose. Very few people can be successful many things. So, yeah, action is important. So, sometimes we may have a bad karma, but if we are doing good action, so bad karma will not produce a result. In the same way, we may have a good karma, but if we are bad, we will not have a result. There are many people who has ability because of wrongdoing. For example, some people are drinking alcohol, become alcoholic, become drunkard, don't know everything. Originally very knowledgeable, very sharp, and very bright. So, but no more, no. Condition no more. Result will not come. So basically, yeah. So in a commentary about the action, so sometimes we should approach. Suitable time, in the time suitable to approach. So this is a kind of action. In a suitable time, you should approach. In a suitable time, you should depart. For example, Myanmar nowadays, say many war, many fighting. Yeah, young people dangerous because of this and that army may pull them to fight. Once they pulled, so they become army, go to the war, may die. So because of this, some young people trying to go up. Yeah, this is something. They may have a result, better result, to be in the army, but because of they in a suitable time they depart, they will not have this chance. So in the same way, some places have a fighting, but the problem is they don't want to leave their house. They detach their house. Actually, once they move another place, it is safe. Even in Myanmar, not everywhere is fighting. Generally, part by part. So they are safety place, but the problem is they don't want to abandon their home. Yeah, to move another place is not so easy. Just possible to stay. Even some bhikkhus, they have their monastery. So if they change another for the bhikkhu, quite easy to change another monastery. But their thinking is like as a leader of people, they don't want to change. So some people, some are dying there. So like that, because of this, in a suitable time, we should approach. In a suitable time, we should depart. So even if you want to meditate, also maybe the same. Sometimes, yeah, we should approach. Sometimes it should depart. For example, you may have a very difficult disease, or sometimes even a monastery, some monasteries sometimes are not stable. Maybe teachers are not there, or some problems are having in there. Sometimes they have already two groups. So if you go there, they may pull their groups. So if you cannot solve, yeah, just a depart. There are some other monasteries generally. Just a depart. Once a depart, you don't need to think this is like what, that is what. No need. There are some places very safety, very good. But some are involved there. Should I go this side? Should I go that side? Why they do like that? So in this way, they are in problem. So according to commentaries are saying, yeah, you should approach in the time which is suitable to approach. You should depart in the time which is suitable to depart. So next definition is you should run. Running in the time suitable to run. Commentary have this saying, not my saying. Just I am trying to understand which time we should run. So, but we have said, I have said, so young people, because of Myanmar condition, so in the earlier time especially, we very difficult to control young people. Based on their emotion, they want to go this side and that side. So, but it is dangerous. This is something politician. So as an adult people, to be safe, you just stay quietly. Quietly. You may want to say something because it is a group. Emotions a lot. So very difficult to control young people. So there are some young people near to me, near to us. So they are just in a university or learning in a university. They are very good students. They only know how learning. They don't know politicians, how complicated. Their mind is very simple. So what we happen to say is, you just know, this kind of young people don't know how to run because they don't have a running mind. They will always will fight. They're afraid or they are ashamed to run. So politicians are not like that. This is a very tough job. So some clever people are, sometimes they fight, sometimes they run. Even they are successful. Some little politicians they do. After that, run to other country. So other countries save them. This one have a problem to go to their own country. So other country may give a place. So like that. So should run in the time which is suitable to run. So some people are afraid to run, shame to run. They are this kind of people. So sometimes they have to run. So, so in the Mahosdra Jataka, so Mahosdra is a Bodhisattva. He is a wise one. So many people use the surrender speech. to the king. So king trying to catch him. So he ran, stay another place. So staying in time also, he is clever. Just stay in a poor condition. Poor condition. Because king's thinking is he will collect property, collect people. After that, may fight back to the king. This is a king's thinking. But he loved king. King also loved him. Now, because of wrong thinking, misunderstanding, so trying to catch Mahosada, Bodhisattva depart or run other place, or rather stay in a poor condition. So he is a very knowledgeable person. Other people surprised about his staying, should stay better in a better condition. So, but it is something understanding other people's mind. If I stay poor condition, he may have compassion. He may not think he will fight back. So non-poor condition. After some times, the king called him back. So yeah, sometimes we need to run in a suitable time. This is a kind of good action. So if so, bad result will not produce. And next one is in the time should give like a gift or something in a suitable time. Giving a gift. So have this definition. You may understand sometimes if we cannot do something or just give a gift, so we may be able to do. So like that. So this is also one definition. Another definition is a bit strange. Using it as a chorika. Chorika is in the teaching. Chora is like stealing and robbery. Sometimes fighting also. For example, in a country there is a king, like a rivals, rival. So those are also called chora. As a king's word, chora. So suitable time, you should do chora. Chora is like a fight back. Something fight back. So in the Tika's explanation, when you have a company, so there is a Vinaya rule for the bhikkhus. So in the Buddha time, there are bad group of bhikkhu. They do some procedure, but the wrong way, not correct. So at that time, some bhikkhus complain, you are wrong, we cannot agree. So at that time, the bad group of bhikkhu get angry, say badly, frightened them. So about that, reported to the Buddha. Buddha say, if 4 or 5, you should prohibit. They are wrongdoing. If 2 or 3, just you mention what is right, what is wrong. If it's just 1, just you determine yourself. I don't agree that in the mind, because alone, you are alone. If you say out, so they may give a danger. So because of this, so sometimes do against Others, we have to see our strength. So without having a strength, without having a company, so some are trying to fight back. So they have to suffer. So sometimes we can see in a fighting war, some are just, the way they have learned is wrong, right or wrong only. So they don't understand that they have ability or not. So there are many experience in Myanmar. So they do, so many die. Just to die. No result. No good result. So these are definition of the actions, right actions. So as a conclusion, in a suitable time, you should approach. In a suitable time, you should depart. In a suitable time, you should give a gift. In a suitable time, you should run. In a suitable time, you should prohibit, you should against about the wrong things. So these are definition of a good action. Another definition is general definition is, yeah, you should practice the 5 precepts. You should not do bodily, verbally, mentally bad deeds. So it is a good action. So if someone do a lot of killing, stealing, sexual misconduct, actions are already wrong. If someone drinking a lot, although you may have a good karma, so cannot produce a result. So because of this, karma, so what produce based on time, good or bad time, destination, good or bad, appearance, good or bad, action, good or bad. Based on that, although we have a good or bad karma, will produce a result, will not produce a result. Okay, I think we should stop here. If you have a question, you may have a question. You should ask. If I know, I will answer.
Sino, here got a question. In order to attain Sotapan in this line, how to accumulate a very strong parami?
For any good deeds that you do, by making a wish, destinations are there, results are there. Yeah, strong parami is direct cause is for example, you are healthy, young enough, just to practice. Like the vipassana is direct. So yeah, if you practice vipassana, vipassana can go directly vipassana from the samatha to vipassana. These are direct cause. For example, in the Buddha time, some people by listening in Dhamma, they get attainment quickly. It is because of past karma. In the previous Buddha's destination, they have practiced those vipassana, even in Bainapada time. So without gaining attainment, they passed away. So in the Buddha time, they can get attainment quickly. So this is a direct result. Direct result. But some people, because of some condition, they cannot do. If so, based on their life, they should do. For example, dana, sila, etc. Generally, yeah, if we are young enough, healthy, knowledgeable, yeah, already karmas are quite available already. Only desire really want to get or not. Because generally, if someone have a personality, have a time, based on what you do, you will get it. If you do economy, yeah, economy you will have. If you do education, education will have. So it is not just because of karma. So something desire action.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Any question from the floor? 大家有问题吗？或者线上的佛友们，大家有什么问题吗？
OK，
有问题吗？大家？是。
Bante尊者，我有一个亲戚，然后他有养了什么，他有拜那个叫什么不，是有一个亲戚，他有拜一个在泰国他们是古曼童，对，古曼童，这样的话，对哈，我要怎样劝他呢？要怎样处理呢？这样的，对对，谢谢。
What you are doing? Well,
Requested that she has a relative who practices the practice, saying that's the need.
Advice is for what they are doing. So you, as you say, like black magic. What I understand about the black magic means for doing bad things. What I understand. So if bad things, it is to avoid. For what?
但是你是拜，你是拜哪个？
那目的是
是
有目的的。
让他这样好咯，就是让他
让可能生命变得更好吧。可能是这样子。So that he can better know this activity, this practice, so that they can get.
So we don't have this teaching. Yeah. So because we will only puja to the good people, like with morality, concentration, wisdom. So by doing a puja to them, like 3 refugees, we will have a better result. So that one, well, generally we don't know what is his practice, what kind of person he is, that person go or not. So because of this, it is not have this teaching. If we want to puja, you should puja to the Buddha Dhamma Sangha, because they are worthy ones. Mm. Mm.
尊者这里有一个问题哦，可能要请尊者帮忙翻译。就是这对于一个普通人来讲哦，这个业果法则虽然我们知道有迟有早去显现，但是呢，不是每个人没有学佛的人能够接受这样子的一个理念。所以很多时候，当我们没有办法看到的时候，我们就没有办法相信。所以在这个过程中里边，我们怎么能够让这些没有办法看到的人能够趋向相信这个因果呢？这样子。因为它有时间的长短嘛，所以不是随时可以看到的。哦，要怎样让这些人呢有机会看到，以便他不要造更多的恶业跟恶果这样子。对，他就变成没有得翻身了，因为他就是越造越糟糕。
Generally, to say other people is not so easy. Also, what kind of person you are. So, if you are parents, okay, you may able to say you are children. But someone, no, you are children, not dependent on you. So generally not easy to say. Most of people are also not so powerful. For example, if you are government, it's possible. Like that. So I can only say who come here. You know? If I go out say they will not listen. Yeah, some people we can say, some people we cannot say. Even not all we can say. So someone cannot follow. Yeah, we will explain according to Buddha's teaching. If you have, first of all, you need to understand yourself. Brother, you explain. But no, it is very sure. Everyone, not everyone will listen. Yeah, some listen. You should try. You should try. One thing is how you are what kind of person. People are impressed or not. So based on that, you may have ability. Cannot for everyone. Even the Buddha is the best one. Yeah, you're trying to be Buddha. So if so, he is the best helper to teach other people. Even the Buddha cannot teach all. So other people generally not so easy. So you make yourself sure and stronger based on your ability. You may have some influence to the other people, but cannot help everyone. Because of this, we have to have this kind of mind, upekkha, kammasika. So some people we can have a metta, karuna, mudita, but some are based on karma. people will go.
是的，是的。这个问题 OK。yes。是尊者，这里的问题是：人生的意义是什么？如何决定自己的人生目标？考量的因素是什么？怎么知道自己走在正确的方向？
What's the meaning? How to decide one's destination? Okay. Okay. What? And how the plan is okay.
Okay, number one question. Start number one question.
What's the meaning?
What is the meaning of life? As the Buddha is saying, Sabbe Sankara, nature, dukkha, anatta. It is noble truth of suffering. According to noble person's truth, life is suffering. Next question. If you do definition, life is suffering. So, because we have to think noble persons thinking way, because they are our example. So they are knowledgeable. So destination should be something free from life. I don't understand. And factor is knowledge. Knowledge, right view. It is a factor.
And how does he right now?
If you can understand life is a suffering, you are in right path. If you think life is enjoyable, it is not right path. Okay.
Okay, Mante. Vanami Sayadaw, for those attaining Dhyana very quickly during Buddha's time, some before they attained Maggaphala, they were not keeping 5 precepts, like Venerable Angulimala. How to understand about their purifications of morality or sila?
So Angulimala is only livable life, not pure. After ordain, he is pure. So because of this, there is one chanting, Angulimala Preta. No, there is his saying truth. Yadoham begini riya jadia jado. Once I was born as a noble person, I don't know killing living beings with the intention. Because of this is saying in truth. May there be happiness for you, mother, and for you children. for your child. He said, this is the truth. So after the mother can give a birth, child, pregnant mother can give a birth. So that means he is pure in the bhikkhu life. So another thing is we have learned karma. Karma only Penchanandriya karma, like killing a mother, father. Yeah, they cannot get attainment. The others are, the other we have done, everyone have done. Only less or much is different in the past. So no one is, generally no one is fully pure. So, but some are mighty karma, some are not mighty karma. For example, Ajatasattu, he has killed his father. Although the Buddha gave it long talk, cannot have attainment. But Angulimala is different. No killing mother, father, arahanta, etc. So it is possible to get a pure morality. So the bhikkhu life morality is pure. So because of this, he can get. Another thing you say, quickly get. Quickly get is, so bright person and not bright person is not the same. For example, although you don't drink the whole life, some drunkard, but originally bright. Once they can quit drinking, they can be brighter than you because they are originally bright. Yeah, some people are the whole life are very good, learning and studying. Some are not like that. Some brighter people, younger time, they do this and that. So after some times they can do rightly. As a brighter people, they can learn something quickly. So this is a personality based on their karma. So some people, yeah, we need to be good long time because the original brightness is not good. Some people are very bright, personality is very high. So once they are good, so they can be bright. Like a ruby, although in the mud. Once you can wash mud, so it will bright. Normal stone in the mud is different. Normal stone, how much you rubbing, how much you cleaning, it will not be bright. So sometimes we need to consider people's personality. So training will be different. If you teach children, so even recitation, some people, sometimes we make students groups. We lead the recitation. For example, Sabbe Saddha, Awira Hondu, Abhyapecha Hondu. After 1 or 2 times, someone can get it. The other one not yet. Okay, you lead. So that one can lead. That one always, next sentence, he get it fast. The other one cannot. After maybe 5 times, 6 times. Some children can recite or not recite, you have to stop. Because some cannot. Some how much you recite. If you're trying to get that version, the other students, you cannot teach anymore. So training people is not the same way we'll go. So some people have a personality.
Okay. Next question. How to do with wrongdoings? I know regretting mine is akusala, but can we repent our wrongdoings?
Can we
repent,
repair?
repent.
Repair. Some can cure. For example, like if not mighty karma, not like killing mother, father, those are can repair. Can repair. Can repair means, but generally you need to have ability. If you have ability, can repair. For example, knowledgeable person, they may have done something wrong. Or let's say Panadipada. Okay, if you have a Panadipada killing, so if it will produce life, it will suffer, get a disease or weak or short life. But you, for example, you may meditate and get a jhana. So if you have a jhana, so those people are easy to forget. Those killing, because they have jhana, they can stay in the meditation. They are very peaceful. So no much regret. Those kind of jhana is a Garuka karma. According to karma, we teach heavy karma. Like Akusala side is like killing mother and father. Kusala side is a jhana. Generally, it is very strong. If you do continuous practice, not easy to drop. So, if so, you maintain the whole life. You are reborn in Brahma realm. Okay, so the Vanadipada cannot produce a result. So in the Brahma realm. So once you have a Brahma realm, it is a good destination. You can do everything. From there you may go. Another thing is, yeah, you practice Vipassana, get attainment, like a Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Nagami, Arahanta, like that. So you are reborn a good destination. So if so, it will not produce a result. Yeah, in this way you can do. But if it is a mighty karma, like a killing mother, father, so it cannot.
Next question， 丁理小多，如何能知道自己是处在善心呢？嗔心容易察觉，但贪心、慢心非常不容易察觉。如何能看到这些不善心呢？感恩您。
It's very easy to detect, but Lobha and Man is difficult.
Akusala mind, if you learn, you will know. Especially if you learn Abhidhamma, you will know. You say Lobha. Lobha, greed is some are gentle, some are strong. For example, some people may want to steal others' property. So if so, those are very obvious. No own property, wishing to get other people's property. There are some kind of people like thieves. They cannot control their mind. So if so, it is a lobha. It is obvious. Some lobha is not obvious, but like eating time, you wish to eat. So this is also a kind of lobha. So like loving family, so a kind of lobha. Those are gentle. So if you learn Abhidhamma, you will know.
It's 9:30, but we still have another 3 questions here. Can we continue?
Yeah, you can
Okay,
continue.
yeah. For someone who has lost a child, what meditations is suitable for him to start with karuna. He has no meditation experience.
Someone
Someone lost a child, lost a child.
lost child.
Yeah. What kind of meditation should be suitable for him to start? Karuna, or he has no meditation experience?
Karuna. Wow.
The question is someone who has lost a child.
Mm.
So, if he were to meditate, what object would be suitable for him?
Okay. No, not have a karuna.
The questioner asked, is
Mm.
karuna suitable for him?
Oh yeah, yeah. It is. So because of questions like mixing, so yeah, one thing is what kind of meditation. One thing is karuna is suitable or not. So not have this marking like a losing child. Karuna meditation. So not have this connection. So generally we don't know specifically. What we know is there are some meditations should develop for everyone, for any type of person. So there are this kind of meditations. For example, like a Kala Kasina. So like a white, yellow, red, black. Those meditations should develop for everyone.
OK，
嗯
顶礼尊者，请问尊者，根据16观智次第，当一个人证得道果智过后，接下来审查智是马上升起吗？审查智只升起一次，还是可以重复升起
嗯嗯嗯 Yeah, and yeah, it will arise after Phalanyana. So, Vichavagana Jnana you usually teach. So, 5 types of process. For the Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Nagami. For the Arahanta, only 4. Because don't have unremoved kilesa as an object.
วันดามิSayadaw刚才说想要在此生证得道果，其中一个元素是健康、年轻、好学及有心想要有所成就。那么，如果已经是50多岁的人了，需要如何很好的修行，以便可以成就如禅定、观修和道果？因为可能没有那么健康及不年轻了。
So some are healthy, some are although so it is a bit difficult to say very accurately because yeah, one is So although 50, some are still healthy, some are not so healthy. So generally only we can say if not healthy, any jobs that you do, you will have difficulties. So it may disturb for the improvement. But not just one factor. For example, you see some unhealthy people still earning money if they are really knowledgeable. So, but generally we can say if not unhealthy, if not healthy, so any job you do, you may have difficulties. So, but so based on the condition we have to try. So those conditions we may, those condition aging, unhealthy, we may encounter from time to time. But we have to try our best.
Wandami Banti, I have a family member who is a Christian. I always dedicate merits to her, but she is upset if I practice diligently. Even if I listening to Dharma talk can make her uneasy. What shall I do?
Generally, you need to be clever about the association. So generally, as a law, so everyone should choose own jobs. So as long as not disturbing other people, it should be okay.
Last two questions, Sadhu. Sadhu, thank you for your teaching. About the spiritual desire you mentioned, how do we drive it to be faster, successful? What I mean is it taught more, through more spiritual practice such as dana, sila, and bhavana, or others methods. In order to be successful, spiritual, which one we should choose to do it more frequently?
Usually, jobs we have to choose based on what we want, based on what we can do. So we have to choose. All good deeds are good, but what is your desire? What is you can do like that? So what education is available? For example, you may want to get jhana megaphala, but there is no conditions who can teach jhana in your place. So if you cannot go, so if so, you may do dana sila, and like that. So in the same way, if you about the earning money, if you are very clever, then you may do dana more. If you are not so clever about the earning money, you should focus more practicing sila, like that. Sometimes ability is different. Ability different. If you have ability, okay, so I can do just as you say. If so many teachers, many Buddhist teachers say, practicing vipassana is the best. You may do that.
Okay. Sadhu, last question here. Sadhu, without vipassana, we definitely cannot get into the streams such as Sotapanna, Sakadagami, Anagami, and Arhan.
It is sure.
Sure.
It is sure.
Okay. Thank you so much. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu。各位，让我们一起来Okasa，随喜功德以及互相原谅哦。记得跟他尊者讲的，当我们在做 Okasa 的时候，也记得为我们自己发愿哦，这样子。那我们大家一起来向尊者哦。Okasa Wandami Bante
Sukhi hodu nibbana sabbacchya hodu.
Maya Katang Punya Samina Anamo Bitabang
Saru numodami.
Samina Katang Punya Mayang Databang Sadhu Sadhu Anumodami Okasa Dwarata Yena Katang Sabang Achayang Kamatame Bante
Kamami kamidaba.
Sadhu Okasa Kamami Bante.
Sukhi hodu nibbana sabbacchya hodu. Okay, repeat after me. Idawada cha ammehi
Etawata Cham Ehi
Sambadam Bonya Sambadam
Sambatang Punya Sambatang
Sabe Devanumodandu
Sabbe Dewa Anumodandu
Sava Sambati Sariya
Sabba Sampati Sitiya
Idame Nyadina Hodu
Idang Me Nyatinang Hotu
Sukhida Hondu Nyadayo
Sukita Hontu Nyatayo
Idame Bonyam
Idang Me Ponya
Asawakayam
Asavakaya
Waha Hodu
Waham Hotu
Idame Bonyam
Idang Me Ponya
Nibbanasa
Nipanasa
Pachayo
Pachayo
Hodu
Hotu
Mama Bonya Bhagam
Mama Punya
Sabha
Bhagam
Satanam
Sabba Satanam
Bhajemi
Majemi
Esabe
Te Sabe
Mesamam
Me Samang
Bonya Bhagam
Punya Bhagam
Labandu
Labantu
Sadhu
Sadhu Sadhu Sadhu